I am the proud principal of Idea Runberg Academy, Aubrey Tripto. Thank you for taking the time to join us. This is not the normal way that we have Welcome to Idea because it's virtual, which makes it actually really extra special, which makes you all even more special because you are the first ones to have a virtual Welcome to Idea. But we are dedicated to making sure that your experience joining our Runberg community is amazing. And welcome, and may I be one of the many to congratulate you on your acceptance to Idea Runberg. I am so thankful and excited that we have the chance to meet and begin our journey as partners through your child's successful academic career. But first, let me tell you a little bit about myself. So I was born and raised in Chicago, Illinois, all the way up north. My passion for education comes from a love for learning. I attended Chicago Public Schools for over 9 years until my father pulled me out and sent me to a college preparatory high school, worried that I wasn't getting the best education. It was there where I was really pushed and where just getting by was not acceptable, and everyone was expected to go to college. At the time, only one of my parents was working, and it was not easy, but my dad made sure that my sister and I graduated from that college prep. That school is the only reason I am here in front of you today, and I am passionate about giving that same type of quality education to each child at IDEA. After graduating from high school with my teaching license in the health sciences and English with several endorsements, I taught special needs students for a while. And then I actually taught back in Chicago Public Schools where I had went before to try to improve that education. I eventually moved to Austin for a job with IDEA, and I was lucky enough to be hired as an individualized learning specialist. Being an ILS, as they call it, for middle school and high school students at IDEA Montopolis allowed me to learn where our students' gaps are in literacy and how to make improvements to ensure that IDEA students were receiving the best of the best curriculum, instruction, and interventions. Because of that work, I was promoted to assistant principal. I served IDEA Montopolis for a few more years as the assistant principal before I was promoted to principal of Runberg Academy. I am so blessed to be heading our instructional team of amazing leaders and amazing teachers for the second year. I can guarantee you that your child will be challenged and have huge gains in academic success this year. Our vision and mission is to grow that determination and excitement for college from kindergarten all the way up. Part of our vision at Runberg Academy is being a home where your student will be safe and respected and loved, but all the while setting really high expectations. It's not going to be easy, but your child will succeed with our quality instruction and talented teachers. We empower students, all students, by setting goals with them, and we call them scholars, to ensure that they will reach their wildest dreams. Education is the only reason why I have been able to truly follow my dreams, and I will dedicate my whole career to ensuring that your child is given every opportunity imaginable. If you, your child, and myself join together, we will open doors of opportunity, success, and happiness. Again, my name is Aubrey Tripto, and on behalf of all our students, staff, and families, I would like to welcome you to IDEA Runberg and congratulate you on being a part of our team and family.